So, as mentioned earlier, our agenda for today is to go through the problem which we are trying to focus on or solve, how this application is solving that problem using AI, our key differentiator, how it is different from other search applications, and how did we actually build it. So, the problem slide. Let's start at the beginning with the problem in mind. I'm sure everyone in this room has experienced you have a smartphone, and then on the phone you have hundreds, thousands of files and of different formats. You have PDFs of contracts, you have photos, whiteboards, notes, screenshots, scanned receipts for expensive Word documents, and so on. And your digital life is actually on your phone, and searching through it becomes hell. So now, if you remember that a few months ago, for example, you saved a receipt from a client lunch that you mentioned coffee. That's what you remember, but you don't remember which date it was, where did you save it. And you open your phone's search bar and you type coffee and nothing comes. Because the phone's built in search is, for the most part, looks for titles or file names, unless you meticulously name that file's content as client, lunch, coffee, receipt, etc. Your phone has no idea what is inside it. Your files are like locked boxes, and the information is right there, but it's not accessible unless you actually remember it.